The third question is the angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower. Okay, they have given vertical tower, so we will take a vertical tower here. This is AB on a level ground from a point. Okay, so angle of elevation from a point, that is which is on ground. Okay, there is a point C here. So the angle of elevation top of the vertical tower, so from this point to from this point, okay, there is a formation of angle of elevation. See what they have given here. At a distance of 9√3 meter from its foot. So the point is at a distance of 9√3 meter from a foot of the tower. Okay, on the same ground is 60 degree. The 60 degree is angle of elevation. Okay, from top of the tower to the point on the ground, the formation of angle is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. As we need to find out AB here. AB is height of tower. Okay, then AC they have given 9√3 meter. So theta, angle theta is 60 degree. Okay, again we need to find out this is 60 degree, this is opposite. They have given adjacent, again we take opposite by adjacent, that is again tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, here opposite is AB, adjacent is AC. Tan theta, that is tan 60 degree, can be written as AB by AC is 9√3. Tan 60 is √3. AB by 9√3. Okay, on sending 9√3 there, it becomes multiply, that is √3 into 9√3. So √3 is 3 into 9 equals to AB. We have AB is equals to 9 3 ja 27 meter. This is the height of the tower. So we have fourth question here. Find the diameter of circular base of right circular cone. Okay, they have given cone here. It has a circular base. Yes, the base is always circle. Okay, so we need to find out the diameter. Means it is circle, the diameter is this one. Okay, then cone. So this is the cone whose slant height is 8 centimeter. This is the slant height. Okay, this is 8 centimeter. And semi-vertex angle. See, this is A is vertex angle. Semi means half. So half angle they have given 60 degree. So this is 60, this is 60. Semi-vertex angle is 60 degree. Yes, we will find out the diameter. Diameter means I will find out BC. Okay, so here I take this point as C. Okay, we know that this is diameter means this is the radius. Okay, radius is the half of the diameter. Okay, so here this is theta 60 degree, opposite is R, and they have given this is what? This is 90 degree means this is hypotenuse. Yes, here we will take opposite by hypotenuse, that is sin theta. Okay, so here I will write down everything. AC is slant height. Slant height is how much? This is 8 centimeter. Theta is 60 degree, and they have given here we have radius R. Okay, we will find out diameter. Okay, diameter BC is diameter. We will find out this one. Okay, yes, here in triangle ADC I will take sin theta because opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. So sin, this is how much? 60 degree. Here opposite is radius by this is 8 centimeter. Okay, this is we have opposite is DC and hypotenuse is AC. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, the r radius by 8. So keep r here, then send 8. 8 divides become multiply here. Root 3 by 2 into 8. This is 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Radius is how much? 4 into root 3. Okay, so radius is this much. We know diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay, sorry, 2 times of radius. This is 2 into radius is how much? 4 root 3. It is 2 4 ja 8 root 3. Okay, centimeter. This is the diameter of the given circular base. So here I will cover 3 marks questions. Okay, so first question is, from the top of vertical building of 50 root 3 meter height. So they have given vertical building. The height is how much? 50 root 3 meter. From the top of the building means this is the top of the building. I take this is AB. This is the top of the building. On a level ground, the angle of depression of an object. Okay, there is a level ground. There is the object. The angle of depression means when we see top to bottom. Okay, the angle of depression is how much? Is observed to be, this is 60 degree. Okay, then find the distance of the object from the foot of the building. This is the object. See here, we need to find out the distance of the object from the foot of the tower, means we need to find out BC. Okay, we will find out BC. Then theta is how much? 60 degree. The height of the building AB. AB is 50 root 3 meter. This is the height of the building. Okay, again here 60 means this is opposite. We need to find out this one, that is adjacent. Here opposite by adjacent means tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Opposite, that is tan theta. Theta is here 60 degree. AB is 50 root 3 and divided by BC. Okay, tan 60 we know that root 3 is equals to 50 root 3 by BC. Okay, I will send BC here. Then it becomes 50 root 3. So this becomes here divided by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. Here we have BC is equals to 50 meter. This is the distance of the object from the foot of the building. Here we have second question. 2 windmills of height 50 meter and 40 root 3 meter. Okay, there are 2 windmills. Okay, the heights are 50 meter and another 40 root 3 meter. I take this is AB and this is CD. Okay, a person observes the top of the windmills. Okay, a person observes the top of the windmills from a point in between them. There is a point in between them. I call this as point E. So the person standing here and he observes the top of the windmills. Okay, he observes the top of the angle. Then the angle of elevation was found to be, one is 45 degree and the another angle is 30 degree. Okay, then here I join this one. So find the distance between the windmills, that is windmills distance is BD. Okay, here AB is 50 meter and CD is 40 root 3 meter. These two are windmills. Yes, here we need to find out the BD. So here in first triangle we have 45 degree opposite by adjacent. Okay, again here in this triangle AB I apply tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite here AB by B. AB by adjacent is B. Tan theta, tan it is here, theta is 45 degree. AB is 50. Just write down B. Okay, so tan 45 is always 1, 50 by B. Okay, send B, that is B 1 ja, B is equals to 50. So this is first one B. We have B, then we'll find out ED. So in this triangle, that is in triangle CED, here we have again theta. This is opposite, this is adjacent. Okay, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent is ED. Okay, tan theta, tan 30 degree. Okay, so here 30 degree they have given. CD is 40 root 3 divided by ED. Okay, how much the tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equals to 40 root 3 divided by ED. Okay, on multiplying what we have? ED 1 ja, ED is equals to 40 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 43 is a 120 meter. Okay, this is the ED. Okay, then we'll find out BD. BD is nothing but, BD is how much? B plus ED. B plus ED. B is 50. ED is 120. This becomes 170 meter. Okay, the distance of the two windmills. Third question is, a man observes two vertical poles which are fixed opposite to each other on either side of the road. Okay, so here there is a road. A man observes two vertical poles. Okay, there are two vertical poles either side of the road. Means two sides of the road. These are two vertical poles. Yes, if the width of the road is 90 feet. Okay, the width of the road is 90 feet and the height of the poles are 1:2. So the height is 1:2 means I take here 1x and another 2x. That is 1x and 2x is, this is 1x is x, this is 2x. Okay. Also the angle of elevation of their tops. So from their top, the angle of elevation from a point between the line joining the foot of the pole. So this is the line joining the foot of the pole. There is a point in between them. From this point, the angle of elevations to the top of the poles. Okay. Yes, the poles on the ground is 60 degree. They have given the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Find the height of the poles. Yes, we need to find out the height of the poles. Okay. So here I take this is AB and CD and the point in between them is E. So this is I take, this is any distance you can take Y. Okay. So this is Y. Okay. So then 90 minus Y is, this is ED. Okay, this is 90 minus Y. So when we subtract Y from 90, we will have ED. So here we have two triangles. In first triangle ABE, I take, see this is 60, opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is x, adjacent is y. Okay, then tan 60 is root 3 is equals to x by y. Okay, I call this as equation number 1. In second triangle CED, we have again tan 60 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent. That is 2x by 90 minus y. Okay, again this is root 3 is equals to 2x by 90 minus y. Okay, this is equation 2. So root 3 equals to this one. So means here root 3 equals means these two are equal. That is equation 1 is equals to equation 2. We have x by y is equals to 2x by 90 minus y. Okay, on simplifying this one, we will have, I multiply or cross multiply here, 90 into this one, x into 90 minus y. 2x into y is 2xy. Okay, 90 minus y right here. This is 2xy divided by x. X gets cancelled. 90 is equals to here 2y minus y becomes plus y here. 2y plus y, 3y is equals to 90. Y is equals to 90 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 30 ja. Y is equals to how much? 30. This is 30. Okay, 9. Y is equals to 30. We need to find out x and 2x. We need to find out these two, the heights of the poles. Okay. Then x, I will substitute in this one. Okay, equation 1. Okay, here we will calculate in 1. So, in equation 1. Okay, I will calculate here. So, I will calculate this one here. So, in equation 1 is what? The equation 1 is x, root 3 is equals to x by y. Root 3 is equals to x by y. Okay, root 3 is equals to, we have what? Y is equals to how much? 30. Okay, x by y is 30. That is, here it comes 30 root 3 is equals to x. X is equals to how much? 30 root 3. This is the height of one pole, that is x. The another pole is 2x. 2x. 2 into x is how much? 30 root 3. This is 230 is 60 root 3 meter. Okay, these are the heights of the two poles. We have fourth question. From a point on the ground. Okay, so see, this is ground. There is a point here. The angle of elevation of top and bottom of transmission tower. Okay, there is a tower. Okay, we'll see tower, which is fixed at the top of a 20 meter high building. Okay, consider this is a 20 meter height building. I call this as AB. So, there is a transmission tower fixed here. Okay, this is called AC. This is a tower fixed on the building. So, the angle of elevation of top and bottom. So, see, this is the top, this is the bottom. Okay, see, this is transmission tower, this is the bottom and this is the top. The angle are 60 degree and 45 degree. So, top and bottom. From top there is an angle how much? 60 degree. And from the bottom how much the angle is? 45. This is 45 degree. Okay, respectively. Find the height of the transmission tower. We need to find out, this is AC. I call this as x. Okay, this is the height of the transmission tower. Okay, so here what we have. Okay, so in this AB is height of building. This is height of building. So 20 meter. AC is how much? This is transmission tower. I call this as x. Okay, so here theta we have 60 degree and 45. We have two triangles. I call this as the D point. Okay, in triangle, first triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. So here this is opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. Opposite is tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, so tan theta here in this triangle theta is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is opposite is 20, adjacent is BD. Okay, this is 1 is equals to 20 by BD. So BD 1 ja, BD is equals to 20 meter. Okay, then again in another triangle, that is CBD. In triangle CBD, what we have? Tan theta again, this is 60 degree. Tan theta is equals to BC by BD. So, yes, BC is how much here? 20 plus x. Okay, tan theta, that is tan 60 is equals to BC is 20 plus x divided by BD is, so BD we have how much? 20. Okay, tan 60 is root 3 is equals to 20 plus x divided by 20. Okay, so I will find out for the x here. Okay, x 20 send here. 20 into root 3 is equals to 20 plus x. Okay, I calculate here. So here, okay, see here, x keep here. This is 20 root 3, this becomes plus becomes minus 20. Okay, so here x is equals to, okay, x is equals to 20, 20 common. We have here root 3 and 20 is common, means here we have 1. So this is x. X is what? X is the height of the transmission tower. They asked this one. This is in meter. Fifth question is, a cable tower and a building are standing vertically on same level ground. Cable tower and building. Okay, consider this is the building and this is the cable tower. Both are standing vertically. From the top of the building, okay, this is the building. AB is the building and CD is the cable tower. From the top of the building, okay, this is the top of the building, which is 7 meter high. This is the height is 7 meter. Okay, the angle of elevation of the cable tower is 60 degree. From the top of the building, the angle of the elevation to the cable tower is how much? This is 60 degree. Okay, I will draw a line of sight here. Okay, this is 60 degree. The angle of depression of its foot, okay, from this point, the angle of depression to its foot of the cable tower is how much? They have given 45 degree. Okay, then find the height of the tower. Yes, we need to find out the height of the tower. This one CD. CD is cable tower. We need to find out this one. Okay, AB is height of the building. This is 7 meter. Okay, if this is 7 meter means this is also 7. I call this as point E. This is 7. This is also 7. I call this as X. Okay, so we will find out CD. CD means how much here? CD is C plus ED. C plus ED is equals to, this is equals to C is X plus 7. Okay. Yes, we'll find it for this one. First, we will take the triangle, below triangle ADE. Triangle AED. This is 45 degree. This is opposite by, I take this is adjacent. Okay. This is hypotenuse. Don't take this one. This is opposite by adjacent. So, tan 45 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is how much? This is ED. ED, adjacent is AE. Okay, tan 45 is 1, ED is how much? 7, AE write down as it is, we don't know value of AE. AE 1 ja, AE is equals to, this is 7. Okay, AE is 7 meter. Then in another triangle, this is AEC. In triangle AEC, so here this is 60, opposite by adjacent. This is hypotenuse, don't take this one. Opposite by adjacent. Okay, so tan 60 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is C by adjacent is AE. So tan 60 is again how much? This is root 3. C is X. AE we know this is 7. Okay, I take this one. This is X here only. X 7 into root 3, 7 root 3. This is the value of X. Okay, so we will calculate for the CD. CD is how much? CD is X plus 7. X plus 7. X is how much? 7 root 3 plus 7. This is 7. Okay, so here 7 is common. We have root 3 plus 1 meter. This is CD, that is height of the cable tower.